If you've ever tried to search in your chat history in Claude, you know the search functionality on this page is useless. It doesn't actually search through the content of your chats. It's basically only looking at the titles of the chats, which is pointless unless you're constantly renaming them with detailed titles. But now Anthropic has introduced memory for Claude, allowing for Claude to search and reference past chats. Go to your settings and then capabilities, and find memory to make sure it's enabled, just in case it's not. Now, even with memory enabled, the chat history is still useless. There's a chat where Claude mentioned Pomodoro in the context of boosting focus, but it can't find it here. But now I can go to a Claude chat itself and tell it to use the memory capability, and tell it to give me the link of the past chat I'm looking for. I'll tell it to find me the chat where Pomodoro was mentioned. And it finds me 2 chats where it was mentioned. And this mental exercises one is what I was looking for. And I can now open that chat. And of course, if you don't remember a keyword, you can just describe generally what the chat was about and have Claude semantically search for that chat. I'm looking for the Claude artifact that made visualizations of legal procedures, and it was able to find the right chat for me. Also, one other important thing to note is that if your chat was in the context of projects in Claude, you will need to open this chat in that project so that Claude can search all the chats in the project. Claude explicitly mentioned that its memory is restricted in this way. And when I tested it, it was able to find the chat I was looking for inside that project. Just note that it always seems to provide a few extra links, which don't lead to real chats, so you can basically ignore any search result it gives you without a description like this.